Okay folks, finally we are fully staffed up again, so we've got some new members starting and some old ones back in, so it's all going to be good. So we're back at full speed, so the boys are now sort of jumping in between B&B and Cardiff Remap. We both help each other out. They're over here doing our coding, we're over there helping them out with bits and bobs as well. So being next door, it's brilliant. So I'm going to try and do a daily sort of what's in the workshop, if I can do it every day. Some days I obviously won't be able to, but yeah, let's see what happens. I used to do this a few years ago and you guys liked it, but then over the period of time everyone got busy and you know, COVID kicked in and all the drama. So let me know if you like this. If you do, I'll carry on doing them. If you hate them, then obviously I won't do them. Yeah, so let's start today. We have this BMW in. Customer wanted reverse camera and retain his PDC. So this is what we have done. Put it into reverse. And now we have a reverse camera, guidelines moving, and the PDC display on the right hand side. So again, something like this, give us a shout and I'll go through a few other jobs that we have here today. Okay, so we're in the workshop. Got this Discovery in, traveled from a good few miles. This is the extent we have to strip. It's having an Apple CarPlay, and my other lad is here doing his mechanics, where he's adding a new circuit board because this unit is a bit old and doesn't take an Apple CarPlay module, but we'll make it happen. So keep watching and I'll keep you informed. And here we have it all done. Apple CarPlay in an early 2011 Discovery 4, working through the original system. Obviously no audio because I'm filming and got playback on at the moment. But there we go. And then if you want your maps and so forth, everything at your fingertips. And here we have a Range Rover Sport, pretty new, in for a tracker and immobilizer. Let's get back. So over at Cardiff Remap, which is our other department, what do we have there today? Let's show Audi you. RS5, stunning bit of kit, in for a race chip. So it'll be a lot quicker. It's an add-on device that's available that we can supply and install. That's what this Audi's have. Mercedes in for a stage 1 remap. This will be ready later today. Bit more torque, bit more grunt, bit more power. M3 in for a bit of tuning, and also going to be going on to the dyno. Keep an eye out. If I remember, because I'm new to all this blogging, I'll have it up and running for you a bit. This Mini's come in. It's been in a crash. It's been repaired, so as you can see, and now everything's being coded back in. So all the electronics work, and hopefully then everything put back together and back. Some of these jobs are here for a few days, so don't think this is all done in a day, but this is our new blog, and if you like it, keep in touch. We'll be showing you what's going on in our workshops daily. We have an M8 here. This one was done a year or so ago, but it's being sold. So it was decatted and exhaust and tuning, quite a bit of stuff done to it. As it's now going back to a dealer, we're putting it all back to standard, so it just looks like a plain M8 series. That's all I got to say about this. And the Seat in for a service. And finally, this Mercedes, this is in for an AdBlue delete. So if you've got AdBlue problems, give us a shout. We can sort that out as well.